The Samsung Tri-Foldable phone. Leaked. Image, video, leaked. This looks exactly the way we thought it was going to look. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is exactly what everyone expected. It was going to be a Z Fold 7. Actually, not even Z Fold 7. Because that inside display right there is so much thinner. That's like a Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5 inside display. Outside display, not inside, excuse me. That outside display in the middle is like a Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5. It's like long, thin, and narrow. It's really what we've all complained about for so long with the Z Fold series. So this is exactly what it is. It's a Z Fold 5 with an extra display attached to the end. That's all this is, which I guess, yeah. And then add in a $3,000 price tag, right? So you see right here, we have obviously the wireless charging. I say wireless, it does have wireless charging, but this is the wireless pass-through feature, which you can charge other things utilizing the actual phone. This is not a new feature. This has been on the Galaxy S series lineup, where you put something on the back of your phone, you can charge it. Pretty sure the iPhone 16 could do this with AirPods, I believe. So, and it just literally just passes through the battery. So the battery of your phone is charging whatever item you're using, right? So it's a pretty simple concept. It's on, I would say even more. I think that's on like majority of phones. Maybe not the budget type phones, like the really, really budget type phones. But majority of phones, it's going to be on. Like, that feature where you could charge something through your cell phone. I don't think it's a brand new concept. But this right here shows you cannot wireless charge your phone when it's fully unfolded. So when it's tri-folded, you can't charge your phone. Obviously, once it's folded, you can, because you have to have that center of, line up there on the charging pad. Again, this is all stuff that's very common and just like everyone knows this. But the point of why this is being posted and shown is because this is the tri-foldable phone, right? That's the whole point of this. Now, this image interests me a lot. So this is someone paying with, obviously NFC card for like Google Pay or Samsung Pay or whatever pay you're doing. And it shows that they're doing it with the phone fully tri-folded, like unfolded completely. The full 10-inch display is right in front of you. Now, I will say, if someone did pay for something and I was like, I say pay for something, someone was buying something and I was behind them, I would really think that this is an iPad mini. Like, if someone pulled this out and was like, yeah, guys, I'm paying for this item, whatever. Well, no, you don't announce it. But you pull it out and you pay for it. I would think this is an iPad mini. And I know there was some people saying, like, oh, this is going to get you some attention. People are going to look at you. I don't really think so, actually. Again, like I said, if I saw someone do this, I would think this is an iPad mini. I might think this is like a, kind of like a weird wallet type concept, where maybe the wallet unfolds, and the display would be weird, but I don't really think I wouldn't really bat an eye on this. This is one of those things where I feel like when foldable phones first came out, and now tri-foldable phones are coming out, people really thought like, oh, if you get this, people are going to look at you weird. I don't really think so. I think across the board, people are going to say, oh, cool. Don't know what that is, but it's probably some type of tablet, and they're going to walk away. I think there was a completely different stigma nowadays, I feel like, when it comes to this kind of stuff. You pull this bad boy at the cash register, there might be one person, like a kid or something, like, hey, what is that? But like, majority of people are going to be like, oh, he has a tablet. Kind of weird, but okay. I mean, I guess he could pay with a tablet. Like, it's not really anyone's business. So I feel like most people mind their own business, but still cool concept. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one.